everybody, Sean from Silicon Theory here, and I'm trying to give us some hands-on time with the new G7 ThinQ. So as you can see, I've got the device in hand, got the blue version to try and get it on camera here. It's a very glossy back, but the screen definitely is bright enough indoors here. I'm going to check out, yeah, it looks like it's maxed out, so you can kind of see what low light looks like, and hopefully what maximum brightness looks like. But for an LCD, the display is definitely very bright. This variant has the notch setting turned on, so as you can kind of see, you get the little bit of the cutout there, and got all your standard notification toggles. See if we can find out what it's running here. Let's go to General and check out About Phone and Software Info. So it's already running Android Oreo 8.0 out of the box, and has the May 1st, 2018 security patch, which you'd kind of expect from a phone that's launching today. Definitely got some interesting features. I'm going to snap a couple pictures here. Shutter lag time is a little slow right now. Not exactly sure what might be going on with that, but you kind of see the device on the side here. It's got the two volume buttons separated. It's got the dedicated AI button here, so if we press that, it should launch the Google Assistant, which it does. It's super loud in here, so nobody's going to be able to hear us anyways, but the Google Assistant can be launched without the use of the hot word, so that's kind of fun. Let's take a look at it side by side with my Pixel XL, for example. So you can kind of see where we're at there. Definitely smaller in footprint, even though the display is larger than the Pixel 2 XL. Let's try and see if I can get a standard image here. So let's take a look at the menus. So you can see definitely brighter, definitely whiter on the G7. Now I don't have this maxed out in terms of brightness, so let's take a look at that. But the panel definitely looks a little bit better. The OLED on the Pixel definitely a little bit warmer, and you can definitely see that in terms of there's no color shifting either. A little bit of off-axis viewing angles, which aren't fantastic, but it looks okay. You know, I could definitely see myself using it. Let's take a look at what other stuff would we want to do. So let's try and see if we can find something to give us that boom sound experience. What do you say? So we've got some recently added songs. Let's try Beat Addiction. If you can hear that over the din of this room, then you could definitely say that it was plenty loud enough. You can actually feel the vibration of the resonance chamber on the back of my hand on this back panel. So that's definitely something that LG focused on, and I'll try and edit down the initial launch event stuff so you can kind of see that. But it's something that they focused on very clearly was the sound. So the display, like I said, plenty bright, looks pretty good. I'm going to wander around and see if I can take a look at some of the other colors, but fingerprint sensor on the back, dual cameras. They didn't mention the specs, but I believe in the VentureBeat report, they're dual 16 megapixel cameras, and the front-facing selfie is now an 8 megapixel camera. So let's see if we can rotate this here. So there I am. Let's see if I can get a little bit of the demo. There's the wide angle look, you can see, and then the solo focus look definitely a little tighter. This way you can actually get some shots that you wouldn't otherwise be able to get. So yeah, let's wander around a little bit and see what other colors we can get, and we'll get some more soon. So as you can see, it's running through all of the cinema modes right now, all of the different new features that were announced at the launch event today, including the second-year warranty. So you're going to get the 1-year factory OEM warranty, and then you're going to get the free second-year warranty, provided that you register online at LG.com, presumably. So they're calling this notch display the new second screen, so you have the ability to shut it off, to then mask it using the top barrier, and you also have the ability to basically change the colors of it so that you could make it a gray or a blue or some other color if you wanted it to stand out. So got a couple of other shots from the event, so I'm going to have some pictures up at the website soon, so stay tuned for that. Hey everybody, Sean from Silicon Theory here, and so I'm going to show you a different colorway of the LG G7 ThinQ. I've been pronouncing it Think this whole time, and I guess they're going to go with the ThinQ moniker. So kind of see it's this metallic silver. They did say that there were going to be some matte colors coming, but not sure if they're going to be coming to the US or not. So, but the display is very bright, it's very sharp. Looks like there's a software update. Somebody signed into their email apparently, but seems pretty fluid, pretty responsive in terms of my time with it. You've got the power lock switch on the one side, so you can see turn the screen off, turn the screen on. You've also got the volume rockers, top and bottom, and then the dedicated Google Assistant button. So you can press that once, it'll launch the Google Assistant. Again, it's pretty loud in here, so you're probably not going to be able to get too much with that, but at least it gives you an option instead of using the OK Google trigger word. So it's going to come in a couple of different colors. You've got that silver one here. There's also this really pretty blue looking one. It's kind of hard to see in the lights here, but kind of get the iridescent feel of the blue. And then they also have a red color, kind of like a reddish pink, almost salmon color too, that looks pretty cool. So make sure you stay tuned for all of our coverage of the LG G7 ThinQ. Hey everybody, Sean from Silicon Theory here, and I'm at the LG event. You can kind of see a little bit the logo behind me. Doing the walkthrough and the hands-on, so just going to scope out a little bit more and probably head out. But I'm going to edit the video of the hands-on that I did earlier today. I'm also going to cut down the video of the launch announcement, get that compressed down because it was probably about 15-20 minutes of some dead space in there, and you guys probably don't want to see that. Again, apologize for the audio quality ahead of time. You can probably tell it's pretty loud in here, but got a chance to see the one and only Flossie Carter, so that was pretty cool. I'm going to have a selfie of that up on the Instagram account, so you should check that out. And we're wrapping up our time here in New York City with the LG G7 ThinQ. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.